Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing on this early morning. I believe the 7th of April at about 6:51 in the morning on this Friday. A cool, crisp, mid-spring morning in northwestern Illinois in the greater Belvidere metropolitan area in the lousy state of Illinois. And bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share for that education and information that you need to fleece, heist, and shice, to shysters, fleecers, and heisters to profitability in your ascent to asset acquisition. And we can still see the Bitcoin price. If we take a look at the price early this morning, we're still below that 29,959.57 and still safely above that 200-day moving average of 24,118.49. And that's what I'm going to, over this long holiday weekend, is this just a big modified Bart Simpson pattern, as we still have that rounding top, the decreasing volume, the bulls being exhausted, and the sellers threatening to take over the market, and then the price would crash to the downside to 19,278.22 for a double bottom, phenomenal, fantastic, glorious double bottom at the top part of this blue trading box down here. And you do know that's a major area of support and resistance, and support when you're on the upside, just as this is resistance up here when you're coming in from the underneath. See that? Just like that's resistance up here, and that's what's going on here. And I think the next major move in the Bitcoin price with our industry exclusive measuring tool is going to be with this morning update and technical analysis. I think we're in inroads to as much as a 30.69% fall in the greater Bitcoin price. The same thing with the XRP. You guys know my long-standing idea here. You have this big pump, which was a right shoulder. Then you have your head. Then you got to come to the neckline, which is the 200-day moving average in the 4-hour time frame, which is sitting right about the 45 cents. I think you're going to flush down there in your next major move in the XRP price. That's just my own personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on this radio show. But you can see it's coming down, and then I think you're going to come in for a right shoulder, and you got the neckline like that. And the neckline, the targeted move is down here. That's what this blue arrow is. And I think you're coming down to 37 cents in your next major move. And the XRP price will make this orange, and will make that really fat, because that is your technical target out of this head and shoulders neckline, which would be about the 37-cent level. There is a weak potential, off potential, a slight potential of a big overachieving pump to the top part of this blue trading zone over the next couple of weeks. But I think we're in this topping out pattern. The volume's almost nothing. We can zoom out to the daily time frame when we can see that the volume you can't even pick up on radar here. It's so depressed, coming from its orgasmic all-time high in volume back here, but we continue to fall to the downside. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. Peace and love.